How to fix Google Map not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So just swipe up. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. You will see apps is here, so click on apps. Scroll down, and click on Google Map. Scroll down and search map from here. You will see maps is here, so click on map. Scroll down and click on storage. So after click on storage, if you want to fix Google Map not working problem, so first of all click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, click on clear data and click on delete. So after the process, you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Google Map not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.